What's up, guys, and welcome back to Lady Killer BTS fan channel. And we are here today. I'm so excited, oh my god, because I seen the teaser for Airplane Part 2 official music video, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna be reacting to it for the very first time. Okay, so I've actually heard this song before, the audio, but I'm actually watching it for the first time, and it's number 19 on trending. So, guys, if you haven't seen this video yet, go make this video get a bunch of views, because go trend it every 10 minutes, because this video is, I bet you, please let this video be lit, please, because I'm so excited. So, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be reacting to BTS Airplane Part 2 Japanese version official music video by the Universal Music Japan. I'm going to put their channel link down below, that way, and tag them in there, and tag BTS in there too, so that way it doesn't delete my video because where they think I copied it, and no, I didn't. I'm just reacting to it to do a reaction so you guys can see it. So, other than that, let's get into the video. Hey, so let's get it. Let's go. Try to support a bit. Oh my god, look at V! He looking so cute with that hair though. Oh my god, and them glasses. Oh my god, look at Jungkook. Oh my god. Him in that with that microphone. Oh my god, Jimin. I love Jimin's voice. Oh my god, V's voice makes me melt so much. Oh my god. Look at RM. The same word. Taco. Hey, that's cooler because I'm not meaning to pause it, but that's cool because how they got the video set up is that their background, they're at a bar, and you know, and it look like it's got drinks, and look like it's got drinks and stuff there too. It's got alcohol. That's really cool. I'm loving this video so far. Hey, in mariachi, in mariachi, in mariachi. In mariachi, in mariachi, in mariachi, in mariachi. Oh my god, I gotta go back. Me in that clap though. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all, be in that clap, bro. He claps and looks at the camera. Oh my god. I gotta say it again. Oh my god, I'm gonna melt. Oh my god. If you guys don't know, V, he's my bias. I love V so much, he's my favorite. And my bias record, just to let you guys know, is J-Hope. J-Hope, you know that Hobie. Woo! Okay, so, I'm gonna watch it. Oh no, I wanna see that part one more time. Cause V claps like this and like looks at the camera like, oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, alright, I'm watching one more time now. I'll let it keep going. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's making me melt! Oh my god! Oh my god, J-Hope, don't do this to me. Please do not do this to me. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is why JS my bias figure, because everything, like the way he dances, oh my god. His hair too, I like his hair. Sugar! Get it, Sugar! Oh my god, did y'all see V throw that head up in the air though? Bruh. Oh, I gotta go back because I gotta see that. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm gonna melt again! Come on, Beast, quit making me melt! Ha ha. I like that. I like that. Ha 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 ha. Hey, I like that. I love that part. Oh my god, Beast Boys! Oh my god, man, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? Oh my god, the way he, oh my god. I'm done. Oh my god. Oh, and it's raining! Oh my god! J-Hope's hair is blue! What the fuck? Oh my god, they look sexy as fuck with that rain on them. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. I'm really about to melt in this fucking video. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, V. V, you better not do this to me. Oh my god, people that look at the end. Oh my god. Oh my god. He just like. I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was the best music video ever. Like, oh my god, like. Oh my god, I'm tripping. Oh my god, okay. So, to get my reaction, V and J-Hope was making me melt, especially V. Because, oh my god, him and that, he did that clapping like, clap, boom, look at the camera like, oh my god. And then he threw the head up in the air. Oh my god, I'm done with V. I'm done. I can't do it no more. I love it. Thank you guys so much. So much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. If you haven't noticed, I got my hair cut. I got my hair cut. But besides that, I love BTS. I love the music video. It was really good. I love their styles and how they was dressing. I love the background. Where they was in the bar. I like that. I like that. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day, have a great night, whatever time you're watching this. I hope you had a wonderful, wonderful time. Please go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos, more reaction videos to BTS, and more, FFs that I make. But the next episode, True Love Turns Bad, episode 5, I think, will be out this weekend. So, it will be out either Saturday or Sunday. So, pay attention to that. I will, if you guys go to my channel, you can add me on Instagram and Snapchat, and I'll keep you guys updated. You can guys hit my DMs and ask me any questions that you have, or comment down below, and I'll let you know down in the comments, when it is close time for the next FF to come out. And it should be out either Saturday or Sunday. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a good time watching this. Please, it's number 19 on trending. Go watch it. It's 5 million. Right now it's at 5,645,831 views. We need to get it to at least 100 million, because this video was swag. It had so much swag in it. Oh my god. Okay, so let me go ahead and get out of here because I'm keeping you guys too long. So I will see you guys in my next video, and I will see you guys next time. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.